we are doing Clans of... What was it again?
I'm tired. Clans of I'm tired.
No.
Wolf.
Clans of Wolf. Except that I forgot about what it was called. But I got it now. It's not letting me use my name. There we go. The game's glitchy. The game's always glitchy, actually.
You never put a description on Life of Deer Park 3.
What?
You never put a description on Life of Deer Park 3.
I never do. I didn't at all. So these are skins that you can be as. Ooh, wow.
Life of Deer Park 4.
Oh my gosh, you could be a rainbow wolf. You could be a rainbow wolf. There's this one as well.
Okay.
I'm going to be a rainbow wolf. I'm Rainbow. Hello everyone, I'm Rainbow.
Caitlin, it's after 11 o'clock.
Yes, so?
You need to get some sleep.
Nah. I don't need sleep. Not just yet anyway. I have videos to do. No. Why do I always have to sleep every single time? Can I not just do these videos already?
Sleep refuels your body for... You know what, Caitlin? You need to take the next hours of sleep to rest in bed and refuel your body for and gain energy for the day ahead of you.
Wolf!
Okay then, I hope you understand.
I totally adored you. Because I was looking for I was trying to look for the last building
Just
thing.
like me. Tonight, I have to lay in my bed and rest there for the next 8 hours so I can refuel my body for the day ahead of me.
I always refuel my body no matter when I sleep. By the way, Miss Hope has been watching some of these videos, but not all.
Okay.
I don't think she's Skype. It won't save on her laptop or computer, whatever she has, that she's watching them on. I need to get up here. Need to get up. Yeah. There. Oh, Clans of Dragons is now on. Okay, let's get this cat. Ooh, I love these two cats. I love them. Look how beautiful they are. The rainbow one and that one. So cute. There's a book down there. Bailey's barking. Oh, there's a cave. I'm not going through the cave because that's obviously where the boss is.
Go fight it.
No, it's strong. It can kill me like in one hit.
Have you played that game before?
Many times, actually.
Oh my goodness.
Actually, yeah. Well, not this one, but there's similar games just like this one. Just different animals. Is that what you kind of mean?
Yeah, lots of similar games.
Yeah, there's tons, as you can see on YouTube. Have you checked on YouTube a lot?
I have no idea what these people are probably.
What the heck? Okay, I'm like, oh, no. I'm not being in that cave. That's where a boss is. Besides, it'll get difficult for you to get out in the cave. Whee! I don't know how a wolf's supposed to jump off a mountain.
They don't.
Well, obviously I am. I'm climbing up mountains.
Okay.
When I'm running, I'm like literally running as I'm climbing up.
Okay.
That's a boss. No! I fell! Oh, deer of the forest. Hey, deer of the forest. That's cool. Male, female,
Skip. Oh wait.
and baby.
Skip.
Skip!
Hey, don't touch me.
That's what you get. Looks like a gazebo and a fire deer. What the heck?
Bully.
What?
Bully. You smacked my hand out of the way.
Because you're touching my phone. You know I don't like it when people touch my phone.
Touch.
Not even touching it.
Touch.
You touched me. You think I ever let you touch my phone? 2 lions. They probably saw me. At least one of them did. Oh, great. Many members I have to
Storage space
find.
running out.
I have to find a lot of members.
I understand.
Do you actually? Hmm.
So I delete that video that's not going on YouTube.
Which one?
The one I just made.
Oh, how come?
Because it's on YouTube, so I can delete it now so my storage goes away.
Oh, now I get it. Wait, it's actually on YouTube? Downloading?
Yes.
Oh. Wee!
Is this clan of unicorns? Does it use magic?
Yeah. Everything about clans have magic and bosses, members, that kind of stuff. And obviously animals, different skins. Okay, one more wolf to find and that will be it. I need a drink. I'm drinking. By the way, that's how I drink.
I can hear it.
Of course you can. I'm like wandering in the water. And I'm supposed to swim. That's what. At least some of my clan's supposed to be swimming. Miss. I definitely missed that wolf. There we go. Walkie. Buggy. Why is there a wolf named Buggy? Well guys, that'll be it today. Make sure you guys subscribe and I'll see you later. Bye.